Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I look kind of crazy because I'm not dressed and ready yet, and I've kind of been running around like crazy because today we are leaving for our beach vacation, but there's still like a few last minute things to do, last minute things to pack, last minute things to clean because we're having someone stay at our house to watch our dog while we're away, and also like who wants to come home to a messy house after vacation? Definitely not me. So I got to do a little bit of that. I only had to stop because this little guy needed breakfast. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know that we go to the beach every year with my family, my mom's side of the family. But this year is going to be a little bit different. Usually we go to Englewood Beach every year, but unfortunately because of the hurricane last year, the beach is still atrocious. We can't go there this year. And we were really sad for a while, like, oh, it's not gonna happen. Like, we had a place booked and everything. So we had to get, you know, the deposit back on that and everything, and we were really sad because like we didn't want to not go to the beach, especially because this little guy, it would be his first trip and we don't want him to miss out on that. So we decided to go to a different beach this year. Unfortunately, the whole family that would normally come is not going to be there. It's going to be my parents and my sister and her fiance, and I think she's going to bring a few friends a couple of the days or something like that. So a little bit different, but I am still happy and still excited that we're going to be going. We're going to VERO Beach instead on the opposite coast, so it didn't get messed up by the hurricane, and we're still gonna have a good time. We found a cute little Airbnb that we've booked, and my sister and her fiance found a different one. That's just how it's gonna be this year, and it's still gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm not gonna show like the rest of the packing and the cleaning because it's not that kind of video, but I will see you guys when we get to the beach.
What are you doing?
That's literally perfect.
He wants somebody to do it.
It's literally perfect.
I feel like that's gonna be a meme.
Personal to see your face light up. Ooh, she's a lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful, oh boy, wonder. Chasing out the summers from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fly right on and on, we gotta keep it up.
Our first morning in our beach house. Did you guys sleep good?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat breakfast out here this morning. What are you guys doing? I'm gonna try a new thing. Breakfast casserole thing. And I hate trying new things with like cooking because I get so anxious and overwhelmed and I don't really know what to do. But I'm trying it here while we're at the beach, so that way I'll know if it's good or not, and then if I can like make it again at home. So we'll see how it goes.
broccoli in it?
There is a little bit of broccoli in it.
Girlfriend.
I just wanted them all on the plate, not mixed it up.
Can you try it together?
Okay. Just a little.
Good job, buddy.
Hey.
Cheater.
Whoops.
We gotta keep the love. Baby, take it out. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep the love. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent? When it's time with you, it's so innocent. Through the sky on the back of a Pegasus. Got a winkle going less with the laughter. Supernovas blow, gotta get a hose up, even if I host up. Don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you was fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it out. You got your couple of billionaires got inside a submarine. Would you go to that extent to get away from me? God knows we tried to talk it out. And if the rapture came right now, I'd be okay with that. I would have given everything if you would let me. I would have fought it out until I drowned. Discovering the point where it went south was a therapist who opened up your mind. Haunted by the thought of throwing grapes in the supermarket. When you said this is what you wanted, did you mean just stealing chocolate? Said this is what you wanted, did you mean just stealing chocolate?